Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this wave effect on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your timeline like so. Go to the effects section here and type in ripple distortion. Or you can find it in the distortion effect. I think I typed it incorrectly, but it's fine. Select it and add it to your video, and if the ripple distortion is too much, go to effects and select edit. Here you can adjust the twist, you can adjust the strength, and you can adjust the sharpen of it, the size, and the speed as well. Add just a little bit of twist here, and here are the settings that I'm using. But you can definitely use your own, and as you can see, it craves a wave without it being too distorted. Here I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit more. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!